Well, here in Lagos, Chief Magistrate Adeola Olatobosun has dismissed an application by the police seeking to arraign Afrobeat singer Seun Kuti over alleged assault on a police officer. Chief Magistrate Adeola adjourned hearing to the 3rd of July to await legal advice from the Office of the Directorate of Public Prosecutions on the matter. Well, after this report, it will be time for business news.
Seun Kuti came to the Chief Magistrate's Court in Sabo, Yaba, after he was released on bail on Tuesday. He had been in detention at the State Criminal Investigative Department, Banti, since May the 15th. At the resumed hearing, Police Counsel Cyril Ejiofor had sought the leave of court to arraign the singer, having preferred a charge against him. But Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Femi Falana, representing the defendant, urged the court to dismiss the application, accusing the police of disobeying subsisting orders of court. Last week, this same court had delivered 2 rulings ordering the police to duplicate the case file and forward it to the office of the DPP at the Lagos Ministry of Justice for an advice on whether to prosecute the case. The court also said the police cannot investigate and prosecute the matter to avoid the perception of bias. In response to the senior lawyer's arguments, the Police Counsel urged the court to dismiss the objection, saying that Section 23 of the Police Act 2020 empowers them to prosecute cases. The Police Counsel urged the court to dismiss the objection, saying that Section 23 of the Police Act 2020 empowers them to prosecute cases before any court in Nigeria, subject to the powers of the Attorney General to take over any case. But he added that the police cannot wait for the state government, having already sent the case file to them. In her ruling, the Chief Magistrate, having issued the previous orders, insisted on awaiting the DPP's advice before proceeding with the case.
The investigation has been completed. And that's why we are pleaded with the police at the highest level. Send this file to the DPP so that Seun Kuti can have his day in court. That's our position. We cannot, at my level, right, exploit any technicalities to prevent the trial of anybody.
The courtroom was packed full. Many observers applauded the court's decision, but the court frowned at the applause and threatened to send those at the gallery out. Seun Kuti, who was in the dock throughout the proceedings, was also spotted jubilating over the development and turned to look at his wife, who was seated, earning another warning from the court. Kemi Foladeyemo, TVC News, Lagos.